Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef yakhni biryani. First, you'll boil about 2 pounds of beef with whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon, and cardamom until it's perfectly tender. Once cooked, strain the mixture, making sure to separate the beef from the aromatic broth. This rich, flavorful yakhni is the absolute cornerstone of your biryani, providing deep taste and moisture. Next, we'll build the heart of the biryani, the masala. Sauté 2 large, thinly sliced onions in oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Then, add a generous amount of ginger garlic paste, followed by chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Stir in some plain yogurt and a robust blend of 3 to 4 tablespoons of your favorite biryani masala, cooking until the oil separates. Now for the assembly. In a heavy bottom pot, create alternating layers of parboiled rice, the tender cooked beef, and your rich biryani masala. For an extra touch of luxury, drizzle saffron-infused milk and a few drops of kira water over the layers. Seal the pot tightly, perhaps with dough, and cook on very low heat for 25 to 30 minutes to achieve that perfect dum. Finally, it's time to serve your incredible beef yakhni biryani. Gently mix the layers from the bottom up to ensure every spoonful gets a taste of the aromatic spices and tender beef. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of crispy fried onions for added texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a great e-reader and other fantastic deals to enhance your culinary journey and reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.